Hello everyone, this is Valentine from Passive Secrets. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a funnel from your ClickFunnels account. So let's just dive right in, okay? So I'm in my ClickFunnels account right now. I'm just going to go to the page that lists all the funnels in my ClickFunnels account, okay? So I can select the funnel I want to delete. Okay? I'll do that by hovering here and clicking on funnels, okay? Now, there are actually some reasons why I want to delete a funnel of my ClickFunnels account, okay? Now, the first reason is that I'm on the $97 plan, and there's a limit to the amount of funnels I have in my ClickFunnels account. Okay, so the limit is actually 20 funnels. Okay, so once my limit gets to 20 funnels, I won't be able to add another funnel to my ClickFunnels account. Okay, also I also have a limit of 100 pages. Okay, so if I have more than 100 pages, I want to delete some pages. If not, I won't be able to add any page to my ClickFunnels account. Okay, but let's say you want to still keep this template. Okay, if you want to keep this template, you can save the page as a template, which I will link to that tutorial in the description or somewhere around this video. Okay, so the first way, okay, there are actually two ways to delete a funnel from a ClickFunnels account. The first way is actually from right here. If you come here, okay, let's say I want to delete this funnel right here. I'll just come here and click here and click on archive funnel. Okay, when I click on archive right here, it's going to bring a pop-up and ask me if I'm sure. I'll click OK, and it's going to actually delete that funnel. But the truth is that you can't actually delete funnels from your ClickFunnels account. You can only archive it, and you can actually restore the funnel back anytime you want. Okay, so you can find that your deleted funnels or archive funnels right here, still on the same page. If you click on archive, you see all the funnels you've deleted from your ClickFunnels account in the past, and you can actually restore the funnel back. Let me show you. If you just click on archive here to restore this funnel back into my ClickFunnels account, and I can use this funnel. Okay, so all the funnels here don't count towards my funnel limit. Okay, so once I go back to all funnels, these are the funnels that count towards my funnel limits. Okay, so you can delete as much funnels as you like, and also you can restore those funnels back anytime you want. So let me show you the second way to actually delete a funnel from a ClickFunnels account. Then I'll show you how to delete pages from a ClickFunnels account. So you do that right inside the settings. Okay, so I'll click on the funnel I want to delete just to go into the settings. Okay, now once it comes here, I will just come to the settings here, top right blue menu. I'll click on settings to take me to the settings so I can let me show you how to delete this funnel. So if I scroll down to the bottom of this page, okay, I will see another button that says archive funnel. Okay, once I archive this funnel, it's going to actually delete this funnel, that go through the same process of archiving the funnel, where I can go back into the archive list and restore the funnel back later. Okay, so that's the second way. So let's say I have more than 100 pages and I want to just delete some pages from my ClickFunnels account. So I'll go into steps here, and there are actually two ways to do this too. I'll show you two ways right now. Let's say I want to delete this one right here. Okay, I don't have to select it right now. This one is selected, but I don't want to select this to actually delete it. I can just come here. Okay, press this X once it's red, or I hover over it and it's red. I click here and show me to delete this funnel. I'll just say okay, and it's going to actually delete this page from my ClickFunnels account, and that page has been deleted. Okay, I'll show you how to restore this, so you don't actually permanently delete a page. You can actually restore them back later, which I'll show you soon. So the second way to delete a page is actually to select it. Once you select it, okay, and that, okay, let's say I want to delete this page right now, and if I come here, I'll just see delete funnel step. Delete funnel step. If I delete this funnel step, I click there. It's going to show me, are you sure? I'll say okay, and it's going to delete that funnel step from my ClickFunnels account. So I have the two ways to delete funnel step or pages from your ClickFunnels account. So let's say I want to restore these pages I've deleted back into my ClickFunnels account. So how I'll do this, I'll go back to settings here. I'll go to settings, top right, blue menu. I go to settings here, and if I scroll down again, I don't know if you guys noticed something last time I did this. I scroll, I'll see view archive funnels. If I click here to view my archive funnels, it's going to show me all the funnels, all the pages I have archived in the past or I've deleted in the past, and I can restore them back from right here. So that's it, guys. That's how to delete funnels and pages in your ClickFunnels account. and also how to restore those funnels and pages back into your ClickFunnels account. If you don't want to delete a funnel, you want to save that template to use it later to create other funnels, you can actually save a page as a template. I'll link to that tutorial down in the description. If you're new to ClickFunnels or you want to upgrade your ClickFunnels account, I have one of the best ClickFunnels bonuses. I'll link my ClickFunnels bonuses down below so you can check them out and sign up or upgrade my link to get access to the bonuses. And also I have a free ClickFunnels course that covers all the aspects of ClickFunnels, takes you from beginner to expert in using ClickFunnels, and how to also build sales funnels like a pro using ClickFunnels. I'll link my ClickFunnels course down below. If you got any value from the video, like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Talk to you soon.